Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be transforming into this Shedevil look. I really am a fan of what we accomplished today, inspired by the infamous Amber.Carr.art. Let's see, yeah, Amber.Carr.art. Look how pretty this devil is. She is just so cute. I also saw this look by Branaluna. Look how stunning. Oh my gosh, so obviously I saw Chrisspy's and Nicole's video last year or the year before that, whichever year they did it, and I did not plan to do it, but now that I'm here I kind of am living it. I ended up spray painting my horns. They were this red glitter and I did not like that and I wanted it to be blue. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the post notification bell, and let's get started into the glamour. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off. We're gonna go ahead and remove all of our makeup, any makeup that you have on, and we're going to start with the bare face. And we're gonna go like that in 3, 2. Hello everyone, we are bare-faced, honey, and we're gonna start off with gluing down our brows. I recommend using the Elmer's washable glue stick, the purple one, because you can tell when the glue has not been tacky anymore, aka dried. I just go in ham with this, kind of going in all the ways, and then I will flatten this down. I will definitely leave Patrick's story tutorial down below because that is kind of where I got more help, because I really don't know how to put my brows down, and I feel like in this video I kind of, or in this look, I kind of really got it down to the point where I like it. So I will leave it down below for you guys to view, and here we go. We will see my eyebrows are gone. Boom. Thank you, Patrick Star. Thank you so much for your tips. I'm gonna go ahead and take the blue, light blue palette color all over the brows, and this is going to be my base before I draw on everything else. I am going to share with you guys how I just put it down and then I blend it out with my beauty blender, and then I'm showing you guys this footage, but I personally don't recommend you drawing your brows on just yet, just because I had to redraw them 3 times because they were too high, they were too low, they were too high again. So I recommend doing your eyes first. I'm just priming my eyelids, and then I'm going to go in with the Norvina palette. I'm just taking a whole bunch of blue shades, honestly, and I'm going to try to make my eyes look defined and beautiful and big, trying to make it look so pretty, and I feel like I definitely tried my best, and I feel like it kind of ended up looking so beautiful. It was kind of more different where I was trying to put on my brows and stuff, just because if you move or blend too much, you kind of disrupt the product underneath. So I recommend stamping and then lightly blending around it, but I would definitely recommend the stamping motion. Now we have eyelashes. I'm going to start now putting on the rest of the face paint on my face. I am using a cream paint from the Flash palette, but you can definitely use whatever you'd like. I just feel like this is more of a creamier texture, but I do think water activated paints are good for it. It just looks more dry. I'm mixing the dark blue navy color with a light turquoise, trying to mix them together, trying to give me more of a sunken in look, but I end up overall using more of the turquoisey color, just because the other one kind of pulls more dark purpley tones. And then I use the white for highlights, so under my eyes, on my nose, and I try to blend that out as well with my beauty blender. So with everything, I just set it with my translucent powder. I was using my Huda Beauty powder for this. As you can see, it kind of lost some of the intensity of the blue, so I just go back in with a bigger brush and try to contour, bronze, try to use different shades for everything, because obviously we're blue, so we're not going to use our regular stuff. So I used like a darker color for the contour and bronzer, and for blush I used more of that turquoisey kind of color. I definitely snatched my nose, and then I used white to kind of highlight highlight and put everything into place. So I did go over the translucent powder that I put on with white. As you can see here, just try to blend everything out and then try to make sure everything looks nice and intense on the face. So my apologies, I actually was not in frame when doing my upper lip, but I literally overlined the house. You can see it's literally so ridiculously overlined. So I just try to follow the drawing and the photo that I was recreating to kind of give me a good guide on where I want the lips to be. Initially I put the blue navy color on there, but I didn't like the way that looked. It just looked like not really pretty, and so then later on I go in and I fix that with a black liquid lipstick, and then I am going to highlight my face with the loose highlighter from Anastasia in the color Snowflake. I'm using that all over my eyes, my cheekbones, my nose. So here I am painting all over my body. You definitely don't have to, but I did for the look and aesthetic. And if you're gonna go out on Halloween and do this look, then I definitely recommend. There is cream paint, so you don't definitely have to use this palette. And then I'm just drawing on my tears because we actually do have tears left to cry. And I'm just drawing it on with first the dark blue color, and then I blend it out with an eyeshadow, and then I go on with a white color, and then like that turquoisey color, trying to mix it together, making it look like it's a neon effect. Okay, to finish off the look, I'm just going to quickly apply my black liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star, and you guys should be good to go. I quickly finished the tears and I added my horns. You guys see them? They're kind of like up here in Jesus land, and I kind of did lightly my body because I'm not really trying to stay in this paint all day. But here is the finished Shedevil look. I really like how she came out. Definitely so cute to do. I've already been green this year and now I am blue. I hope you guys enjoyed the second Halloween video of the year. It's fun to do some fun glam looks. I feel like this year is very glam because last year it was very hot mess. But definitely stay tuned because I am going to be doing some horror looks. Keep an eye out for those because I think all the Halloween looks are so fun. Let me know if you guys end up recreating this or if you follow us along. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button as well as hit the post notification bell so you get a notification whenever I upload a brand new video to my channel. Yes, happy hunting!